AI is on the topic of every enterprise these days, so having the right partner in Microsoft has been phenomenal.
We partner with Microsoft across a number of different industries. Retail and CPG is at the forefront, but also areas like financial services and insurance, technology, media and telecom, healthcare and life sciences, manufacturing.
We're working with predominantly industrial companies, and the diversity and the scale of their data is severe. And so being able to have a platform through Azure that allows us to scale to the extent of their data and their solutions is critical.
As we advanced our collaboration into the agentic AI narrative or generative AI narrative, the usage of Copilot, the usage of GitHub, it's immense. Building a frontier organization, what a powerful narrative that is.
We proudly support the human connection in this world of AI and automation.
Our partnership with Microsoft helps us accelerate time to market in bringing new, meaningful solutions to our customers that help them improve their business.
What are some of the areas that I'm really excited about in the coming years? How do you really automate some of the business processes and creating newer opportunities and identifying new opportunities altogether?
From a partnership perspective, from a selling perspective, from a GTM perspective, marketing, funding, you name it, it all comes together and helps us deliver better solutions, close more business, win more deals, and partner effectively with Microsoft.
Marketplace is a fantastic opportunity to work with enterprises who are already partners of Microsoft. So it's been a great way to be discovered, but also from a procurement and go-to-market perspective, it makes everything seamless and simple.
So when we show up together with Microsoft, we're providing our customers the confidence to know that AI investments that they're making are going to scale to the rest of the enterprise.
Customers recognize when we show up together, we show up better.